Hi there! In this video, we will review if-else conditional statements and learn about if, elif, and else statements. In Python 1, you learned how to test conditions with if statements and if-else statements. Conditional statements test the condition to see if it is true or false. If the condition is true, then the commands in the if branch will run. Otherwise, the program will ignore those commands and continue. If necessary, a different set of commands is used when the condition is false, in which case we apply an else branch. Sometimes a program may require more branches to test alternative conditions, in which case we can use one or more elif statements. Elif, which is short for else if, goes after the if statement and before the else statement. When a particular elif branch is true, the commands in that branch will be executed. The program will ignore the remaining elif and else statements. In this example, I am asking the program what activities I am doing for 3 days of the week. My whole schedule has been put in the form of if, else, and elif branches. Each day has a different text string telling me what I have planned for different inputs of the variable day. Let's run the program step by step, starting with the variable day being Tuesday. The program runs through each option, checking until it finds a match for Tuesday. It finds the first branch Sunday to be false and the second branch Monday to be false as well. When it gets to Tuesday, the statement is true. Then, the program carries out the actions given to Tuesday, which is to return the string, "I have a piano lesson." Then, the program prints the string. Now, it repeats the same process when looking for Friday. For Friday, the program is to return the string, "I will go to the cinema." Notice that all elif statements were checking for specific conditions, in this case, the days of the week. When the program is given the misspelled day Sunday, spelled with an E instead of a Y, it still goes through the if and elif branches, finding them all to be false. Finally, the else branch is used. The else statement is reserved for all other undefined inputs, meaning those that don't match the if or elif conditions. Make a habit of writing the elif conditions in a logical and easy to follow order. In this example, we started at the beginning of the week and went through each day in the order that they occur. Today, we learned about if, else, and elif branches. With that information, you will have almost completed Unit 1 of the Python 2 course. I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck and have fun!